built 1727.
Wow.
And now we'd like to celebrate with you the Asbach coffee. We pour the Asbach in a warm cup. And we have 3 pieces of sugar in it.
So that's better, isn't it? So we pour the warm Asbach in the cup. There's 3 pieces of sugar. Then we will caramelize the sugar and burn the brandy. But don't be worried, we leave enough alcohol in it. Won't burn it all off. And then we take the coffee and pour it in the cup, and then we put the cream on top of it with chocolate sprinkle. So enjoy your Asbach coffee and have a nice time. Thank you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.